In this video, we're gonna take a look at Tradier and Alpaca to see which trading platform is better. So I have here a list with the pros and cons. So we're gonna start with the pros. Now we have Tradier here, as you can see, powerful API for active traders, option trading support, integrates with third-party platforms. Then we have Alpaca, commission-free stock trading, great for algo automated trading, easy API for developers. Now we're going to take a look at the cons. So we have Tradier monthly fees for advanced features, less beginner-friendly UI. Alpaca, no options or mutual funds trading, limited customer support. Now overall, so simply, as you can see, Tradier is best for active and options traders. Alpaca is ideal for developers and algorithmic trading on a budget. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.